Hello children, good morning. I was reading a storybook. There are many stories that we can read. Look, here is a fruit. It is an orange, but inside the fruit, there is something very, very small. It is a seed, and the seed is put in the ground and grows to be something very big. I can tell you the story of a seed. Come! Story, story, seed, seed. The story of a seed. The story of a seed. Can you see the seed? This seed is very small. The seeds are found in the fruit. And a farmer comes and puts the seed in the mud. The farmer sows the seed. The farmer sows the seed. Here are some seeds. Here is a farmer. The farmer sows the seed. The farmer sows the seed. I was once a seed. I was once a seed. Farmer, farmer. Sow, sow. The farmer sowed me. The farmer sowed me. Now the farmer waters the seeds. The farmer waters the seeds. Seeds need water to grow. So the farmer watered the seed. The farmer watered the seed. The farmer watered the seed. Then the seed grew. It grew into a sapling. The seed grew into a sapling. A sapling is a very small plant. It grew roots. It is just a baby plant. It grew into a sapling. Now the seed will grow. The seed grows roots. The seed grows a stem. The seed grows leaves. The seed grows into a sapling. Sapling, sapling. I grew into a sapling. I grew into a sapling. Then the seed grew more. It grew more and became a plant. A plant is big. The seed grew more and it became a plant. The seed grew more and more. The seed grew more. Then it became a plant. The seed became a plant. I grew more. I grew more. I became a plant. I became a plant. Look, the seed grew more and more, and it became a tree. The small seed grew and grew and became a big tree. Trees are very, very big. The seed grew more. The seed grew more and more. It became a tree. Now it is a tree. Now I am a tree. Now I am a tree. And what do trees give us? Trees give us fruit. Trees bear fruit. They give us fruit. Let's sing our song. Way up high in the apple tree, 2 little apples smiled at me. I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the apples, they were good. Way up high in the apple tree, 2 little apples smiled at me. Children can now eat the fruit that grow on the tree. A tree comes from a little seed, and a tree gives us yummy, yummy fruit. Children can eat the fruit. Fruit grows on a tree. A tree bears fruit. Children like to eat fruit. Children eat the fruit of a tree. I bear fruit. I bear fruit. Children eat my fruit. Children eat my fruit. Okay, children, now we can write cedar, cedar, sapling, ling, sapling. Then plant, plant. Then we can write tree, tree, fruit, and children. Then you can fill in the missing letters and colour. Very good, children. Goodbye from Miss Simpson.